Today I'll be adding a new 2 TB SSD to my existing Machenike China-made laptop. So the first thing is to remove all the screws below and then just pop out the back cover. There you go. Let's put this aside. And then you can see there the existing 512 GB SSD. It's actually in slot 1 and not slot 0, but I'll just leave it there. So now we open up the new 2 TB disk SSD. As you can tell, it's from Crucial, bought locally from Lazada. There you go, and 2 TB as you can see there. Right, so let's take it out and see what's in the package. Yep, package is the SSD, the M2 SSD, and they also give you a mounting screw. So we get the SSD out, make sure that you're grounded so that you don't get static and damage the drive. So just stick it in the slot, and the screw is to hold it down. So if you look at it right now, it's actually popped up, right? I thought there was a screw there already, but looks like there isn't. I can't see. And so take out the screw and we just bolt it down. That's the screw, so we just bolt it down, and there you have it, bolted down. So now that it's in place, we'll just replace the back cover of the laptop. Just stick it back in there. It does have clips, so it holds it in place pretty firmly. You don't have to screw the screws back. I'm not screwing them back for now because I just want to make sure that it works, before I screw everything. So I just pop all the clips back on, make sure it's fixed properly and tight. Once that's done, I'll put in one screw, the one with the warranty sticker. Put that back in, and once that's in, let's flip it around, stick on the power, and we'll power it up. Let's see how it goes. Well, looking good. It's powering up, and it should be auto detected. So let's see if the new drive is auto detected. Okay, just wait. There you go, it's powered up. Okay, so log in. Obviously not going to show you my pin. And there we have it. It's up. Just go to device manager, and it will show under drives. My other apps, the auto launch apps popped up, and you can see that, well, the drive is there. I can see it under device manager, so I'll populate it first, and then it will show up as 2 TB of available space that's unallocated. So right now the drive is not, there's no partition table, there's nothing. The drive is just unallocated, and just shows the size. That's it. So from there we will go to the computer management, and under there storage management. Once you get into storage management, you can actually create a partition and the type of drive that you want to create. I'm just going to use a master boot record because that's the most recognizable for most systems. So create this as an MBR, master boot record, and once here we go. So yep, so we create it as a master boot record. Done. And then they'll ask you how much space you want to allocate. So I will allocate the full 2 TB, and once that's done, it will show up. There you go. and it's unallocated space, but the partition table is there already, so all I need to do is to click on it and create a drive, create a volume. So once that's done, create a simple volume, maximum space, click OK and format it, or name the drive. So I'll name it data drive. Done, finish. That's it, and it's done. See, so it detects the new drive as drive D. I've labeled it as drive D, so it will be new drive D, and that's all there is to it.